Hey guys, welcome back. So super excited to share with you guys something I was gifted. TUUMIIST sent me this juicer. It has the sorbet on the one side, the juicer on the other. I'm gonna go ahead and get started making some juices for you guys, putting different fruits in to show you guys how it works. It's easy to clean. It says it's easy to clean. There's a lot of rumors around juicers that they're not, so I will give that a test as well for you. It comes with two 600 ml containers and a cleaning brush. So I